Alright guys, welcome to my channel. This is Donatello and I hope you enjoy this new video. So I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial how to get virtually unlimited webcam tokens without you needing to pay for it. It's directly approved by most of cam sites. So let me clarify. This is not a hack, this is not an exploit. Webcams will get paid real money for these credits, for the allocations of these tokens. So basically the way it works, you are going to watch a video ad or something along those lines, just for a couple of minutes, and then they will add a fairly significant amount of credits in your account. So for example, I was able to receive $100 credits for basically watching 4 minutes worth of ads on this website, and it works anywhere in the world. So I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial how you can sign up, how to use it. It's really easy, and this level of advertisements made for credits just got released this year, I believe. It's 100% legit. It does not break any rules, and it's in fact pre-approved and partnership with most of sites. So guys, if you are interested in this video and you know you are going to use it, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Okay guys, the first step is to go to the website I am showing right now. Here you will be able to get virtually unlimited credits, guys. The only requirement is to qualify first. But don't worry guys, it's really simple and takes only 2 minutes or less. Just answer the questions and you will be ready to go. Okay guys, hope you have enjoyed our video. This is especially for people who loves webcams and wants to get more fun and other premium content for free. If you want me to check more sites like this, let me know in the comments. If you like these type of content, if you like the video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps with this content. And guys, have a great day and enjoy this freebie.